Welcome to the University of Cape Town Library's How-To series. This video will show you how to use the LexisNexis South Africa database and specifically how to find your legislation. The LexisNexis South Africa database is a tool used to search for your case law, statutes, or any other legal related sources. Visit the University of Cape Town Library's webpage at lib.uct.ac.za. Then select the Brand van Zyl Law Library from the Libraries and Collections drop-down list. Under Quick Links, you will select Law Databases. A list of databases will appear. Select the LexisNexis South Africa hyperlink. You may be prompted to sign in with your student number and password. If you are using LexisNexis South Africa for the first time, you will be required to register with your first name, surname, and MyUCT email address. On the LexisNexis landing page, you will note the Research Areas and Content Types drop-down menus. On the top of the screen, you can conduct a general search or use the Advanced Search option to search for all content, cases, or legislation. Under Research Areas, a list of countries will appear with additional drop-downs on display that covers a variety of legal subject matter. For example, when we select the drop-down for South Africa, subjects will appear to be listed alphabetically, and you can use this table of contents to find the information within the particular subject area. When selecting the Content Types drop-down menu for South Africa, a variety of content types will appear, and you can select the ones relevant to your legal research for more information. Let's look for the following legislation with the citation Child Justice Act 75 of 2008. Child Justice Act refers to the Act name, 2008 refers to the year of the Act, 75 refers to the Act number. We will use the Advanced Search bar and select Legislation. The Advanced Search allows you to select which areas to cover in the search, national or provincial, and provides you with the option to conduct a search including or excluding certain words or phrases. The Act name field, you can enter Child Justice Act and then select Search. The results of your search will then display. You can select the Act citation from the search results. On the left, you can filter your search results by document type, research area, etc. Once selected, the full text of the Act will appear. You are given the option to download, save, and email the Act. On the right, the legal citator will be visible. The legal citator contains useful information for each section of the Act. For example, if you select the drop-down for Section 7, the legal citator will provide you with relevant case law applicable to that section. If you need more help, please contact any of the law librarians. Also check out the other videos in the How-To series. Thank you for listening.